This particular question, I often get it from my clients. Microwave or air fryer, which one is safer? It's a question. So today, let's find out and also know the potential risk that is associated with both. Let's dive in. Microwave uses electromagnetic waves to heat food quickly. Okay, here is a simple example of electromagnetic wave. Imagine you are standing near a pond and you throw a stone into the water. Did you see the ripples that form and travel across the pond? They are similar to electromagnetic waves. So just like how the ripples travel through the water, carry energy and can be felt from a distance, electromagnetic waves work similarly. But this time they travel through the air or space and can carry different types of energy like heat, radio signal, or even the X-ray in our hospitals.
Oh, okay.
Yes. So in microwave, they are great in reheating leftover, cooking certain vegetables, and making popcorn. Air fryers, on the other hand, uses hot air circulation to cook food, resulting in a crunchy outside and tender or softer inside. They are perfect for cooking fries, chicken, vegetables with minimal oil. Now let's talk about the potential risk associated with both. First, microwaves can lead to nutrient loss, especially vitamin B and C. Vitamin B and C are water soluble and heat sensitive. So when microwaves heat food quickly, these vitamins can break down or even get destroyed. This is one of the reasons why it is advised to steam your vegetable instead. Second, microwave can cause overheating, and overheating can lead to burns or undercooked foods. Third, studies also suggest that microwaves has possible link to certain health issues, although more research is still needed. Air fryer can be a healthier alternative to deep frying, frying in deep oil, but they are not risk-free. Some studies suggest that high heat cooking using air fryer can lead to formation of acrylamide. Acrylamide is a potential carcinogen. Carcinogen means cancer causing, so it can cause cancer when used on a high heat. Additionally, using the wrong oils or overheating in an air fryer can be detrimental to our health. So both appliances have potential health risk. To minimize the risk, use microwaves for short cooking times. Choose air fryer with temperature control. Use healthy oils and cooking methods, and prioritize nutrient retention and food safety. Also consider alternative means like steaming, grilling, or baking. These methods can help retain nutrients and minimize health risk. I hope this helped. Thanks for watching. By understanding the potential health risk, you can make informed choices about your cooking methods. Stay healthy, and I will see you in the next video.